In this video, I'm going to be telling you why your back hurts, and at the end, I'll be giving you some simple exercises to help alleviate some of that pain. Let's get started. I'm Nate Mitch. Welcome to Physio Food, where we talk physical therapy and other health-related topics to help you fix pain and maximize your health. I've worked in physical therapy as a licensed PTA for about 10 years, and the one question I've been asked all time more than anything is, why does my back hurt? And this is video number 1 in a series on why does it hurt, where I go over exactly why you have pain in certain areas and give simple exercises on how to alleviate that pain. You can see the rest of the videos in this series by checking out the links in the description below. So you've been experiencing more and more back pain more frequently over time, and you're starting to think, hey, why does my back hurt? Now, back pain varies widely from person to person, so it is hard to say exactly why your back hurts, but generally speaking, it's gonna be because of your terrible posture. I know what you're thinking, but hey, my posture is good and it's never caused my back to ache like this before. Well, allow me to explain. Over time, if your back is in an uneven position constantly, it's gonna slowly start to aggravate your spine. It can cause certain muscles to overwork and shorten, or it can cause even compression into the spine, both of which lead to back pain. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever experienced back pain and exactly what methods you use to help with your pain. Okay, so we know that positions or uneven positions for long periods of time are what aggravate your back. Let's talk about some positions that you're in that are aggravating your back. The most common position that aggravates pain or aggravates the back is sitting for prolonged periods of time. Now, a lot of desk workers suffer from this. Over time, we naturally lean forward and try to take off some of the discomfort in our back, but what it actually does is put more pressure onto our spine, causing more pain in our back. Same case for people that do a lot of driving. If that back of the seat is not supporting your back properly, you're gonna have more back pain. The next reason why you have back pain could be because of excessive weight. Now, typically this is for people who hold a lot of weight in their stomach, in their breast, or if they're growing a baby inside them. All of those things can cause your weight to kind of shift forward, which will put more pressure onto your spine, which will lead to more back pain. Now that you know why you're having back pain, let's go over some simple exercises to help you to alleviate that pain. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 3 simple but effective exercises to help with your back pain. The first exercise is the double knee to chest stretch. Now, this one is very simple to do. All you're gonna do is lay down on your back, nice and flat, and you're just gonna tuck both knees in towards your chest, pulling with both arms. You're gonna hold that position for 30 seconds, feeling a nice little stretch pull at that lower spine level, right above like the tailbone area. Hold that for about 30 seconds and do that 3 times. If you're pregnant, you do not want to do that stretch, so you want to try to modify it. So a good stretch that's similar to get to that same location to stretch would be the child's pose. Now with this one, you would get down on the floor, and depending on how far along you are, you may not be able to do this. You're gonna be on the floor, and you're gonna be kind of squatting down, onto your knees in a kneeling position, and you're just gonna be leaning forward, reaching forward with both arms, bending down, feeling a stretch right in that lower back, that lower spine region. The second stretch, the second exercise will be called the posterior pelvic tilts. So with these, all you're gonna be doing is laying flat on your back, and you're gonna be contracting the muscles in your lower abdomen to take some of the stress off of that lower back region. Now, the way you do this is try to imagine your lower back, there's something underneath it and you're trying to squish it with your lower back. So this one's very easy to do. All you do is do that little squish, causing that pelvis to kind of rotate up, and you're gonna feel those abdominal muscles start to work. Typically with this one, we hold for 5 seconds, and we do that about 20 times. And the third stretch to help with your back pain, which is a personal favorite of mine, is the QL stretch. Now, QL is just an acronym for quadratus lumborum. You don't need to know that. The most important thing is that it's a muscle right at the bottom of the lower back that can really get tight sometimes when we're in these bad positions for long periods of time. All right, so all we're gonna do is lay on your back again, and you're just gonna bend one knee straight up towards your chest, and then you're gonna twist your body across your chest or across your waist and pull with the left or the opposite hand. Feeling that stretch deep in that lower back region. Now this one you do on both sides so you can stretch out both sides evenly, but usually one side is a little more tight than the other. If you're really interested in learning more about why it hurts anywhere on your body, make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series by checking out the links in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe button along with the bell icon to see videos just like this in the future. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.